So everyone loves my table saw lathe. That much is true. However, not everyone loves sanding. Now, in order to get a better finish right off the table saw lathe, we're going to be testing today a brand new flat tooth top blade and an alternating tooth blade and see what leaves us with a better surface finish and reduces the amount of sanding we need to do. So right here we have the pine and the maple ATB blade cuts. Now you can see that there's a whole bunch of little tiny scratches going along the grain and even somewhat spiraling, as depending on the speed that you're spinning it, you will get a little bit of a spiral, but again, all knocked down with sandpaper. Now with experience, I know that some of these scratches are pretty hard to get out with sanding. So you really want to avoid it as much as you can, getting these bigger scratches. It seems to be a little more predominant on the maple here, but maybe that's just the dark color of the wood compared to the pine, but both are relatively the same. So now let's take a look at the flat tooth blades and let's compare the maple here. This feels much smoother. It also looks a lot better. Like you can tell that this is a much rougher cut. This almost doesn't need sanding at all. Same with the pine over here. It's a little bit rougher, but it doesn't look rougher. The alternating tooth blade definitely has a rough texture, and you can see those lines very well. Overall, I would say if you're going to make a table saw lathe, definitely go with the flat tooth blade. It'll save you a lot of time sanding. Thanks for watching, guys.